we are in the province of the Northwest, Kocha District Inya Ruth Mompati, Mamusa Local Municipality, Koswaz-Renek, to hand over a multimedia center that has been sponsored and made possible by the MTNSA Foundation. We're handing over this to the Community Care Center as part of our program, a social development on prevention of social ills. So the computer lab will be utilized by the whole community, hence it's in a community care center and not necessarily in a school, because the children, all the schools around the center, young people, older persons, children in ECD, entrepreneurs, all of those members of the community that requires access to a multimedia center will be able to utilize it.